Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the moving object using Keyframe and CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select image to the main track and I'm going to select overlay and I'm going to remove the background. Just going to cut out, select out chroma key and select color breaker and select color that I want to remove just for the string and the shadow. So to make this object um, moving, right? Moving, you can um, select the basic, and you can find the keyframe button on the position and size to right. Just click on it, and you can move the object and swipe to the right. At the timeline, you can move again, and so on until it finish clip. Right. And this is the final effect you have on your video. Alright, that's how you can create the moving object using Keyframe and CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.